What if you could run a full funnel ad campaign from strategy to video generation to performance prediction just by having a conversation? That's what we built with Admire, an AI ad agency in a chat, your advertising co-pilot. It starts with a single prompt. Say you need a campaign to attract tourists to Morocco. Tell Admire what you need, your product, your goals, your brand. And before any strategy is generated, a Grok-powered refinement agent asks you targeted questions to clarify your brand, audience, and goals, ensuring the system understands your needs as precisely as possible. Behind the scenes, a multi-agent system processes your request. A Grok-powered refinement agent first interacts with you to build a structured campaign brief. Then, an orchestrator routes this brief through three specialized Grok 4.1 agents, research, critic, and strategy, that work in sequence to produce the final plan. Let's move on to the strategy that was just generated. First, who should you target? The system generates three audience personas, not generic demographics, but real profiles built from web behavior, interests, and trending topics. These personas then inform how to split your budget across TikTok, YouTube, and X. For each platform, you get a tailored strategy, optimal posting times, content formats, duration recommendations, and hashtag trends to maximize virality. They are all powered by data collected through the xAI, YouTube endpoint, and the lightweight RAG pipeline built on research done by the TikTok Creative Center. Everything comes together in an actionable content calendar, your complete publishing roadmap. While strategy was being built, videos were generated in parallel using the open source OpenSora model. Each video is ranked by predicted performance. You can then iterate and edit again each video. Say you want to replace the sky with a sunset. Can be done. Maybe you want to regenerate an entire video if it's not to your taste. It's also possible. Then you can select your top picks and display their analysis. Our dashboard predicts real performance before starting to spend money. We embed each video using Meta's open source image bind model and feed these different embeddings into a transformer trained on datasets from the xAPI and TikTok Creative Center to predict engagement metrics. Here, we can directly compare each video across the key performance metrics. For example, video 1 clearly stands out with a 78.5% CTA view rate, a 5% CTR, and the lowest CPA at about $11.8. In the visualization, you see it surfaced as the top point in the bubble chart and as the largest area in the radar chart. The system automatically flags it as the recommended creative with the strongest ROI potential. Finally, one click generates a comprehensive PDF report. Strategy, videos, predictions, recommendations, ready to share with your team or client, making Admire a true end-to-end advertising copilot.